So let us try to implement this understanding into Jumla Ismiya. We haven't done that yet, so we'll do that now. Zaidun Salihun. What will this become? Instead of Zaid, Huwa Salihun. Right? Zainabu Salihatun. What will this become? Yeah. Zaidun wa Fuadun Salihani. What will this become? Huma Salihani. Huma Salihani. Right? Zaidun wa Fuadun wa Hammadun Salihuna. Hum Salihuna. Right? What if I ask you before that? Fatimatu wa Zainabu Salihatani. Huma Salihatani. Right? Fatimatu wa Zainabu wa Maryamu Salihatun. Hunna Salihatun. Right? Zaidun wa Maryamu wa Fatimatu Salihuna. Hum Salihuna. Hum Salihuna. Right? Zainabu wa Maryamu wa Khadijatu wa Zaidun Salihuna. Hum Salihun. Instead of huma, for second person it will be antuma, right? Antuma Salihani. Salihani. Antuma, two people, right? Antum Salihuna. Antum Salihuna. Now, if I were to give you a word, an ism, right? And that would be Salihun. Salihun. Can you use this ism with all the dhamair in the table? With all the dhamair in the table. Huma salihun. Hiya salihatun. Huma salihani. Hum salihuna. Hiya salihatun. Huma salihatani. Hunna salihatun. Right? Then anta salihun. Antuma salihani. Antum salihuna. Anti salihatun. Antuma salihatani. Antunna salihatun. Right? Ana salihun. Nahnu salihuna. Right? Sadiqun. Sadiqun. I am giving you another ism. Sadiqun. Can you use Sadiqun with all the dhamair? Starting with हुआ आप कर रहे हैं आपको एक देना ओके गो अहेड जज़ाकल्लाह खैर हुआ सादिकुन हुमा सादिकानी सादिकतानी फॉर फीमेल सादिकानी हुम सादिकातुन खूना ऊना सादिकुना हिया sadiqatun. If we with the ta marbuta we say sadiqa, right? Sadiqa. So sadiqa is nothing but sadiqatun. So hiya sadiqatun. So huwa sadiqun. Hiya sadiqatun, not sadiqa. Huwa sadiqun. Hiya sadiqatun. Huma sadiqatani. صادقات. Right? Anta صادقون for male مذكر. Mhm. صادقون. Inshallah, if you go back to those classes, you will be able to do it. It's very easy. Can you complete the table? Anti صادقة. Mhm. قاتون. أنا. Mhm. بارك الله